Hello, this is Hessa Bojona coming to you today from breathtaking Bear Lake in the Colorado Rocky Mountains. It's actually the perfect place for this video, which is all about releasing lingering emotions that are keeping you from manifesting what you truly want in your life. And this is again the perfect place that I could think of to release and let go. This video is part of the Raise Your Vibrational Frequency to Manifest Fast 7-Day Challenge. To participate and to get the day-to-day sequences, go to dhessa.com/vibration. Quite often, past unpleasant events leave emotional traces in our mind and in our body, and often in our effort to avoid feeling those emotions again, we don't allow ourselves to create what we truly want. Now it is time to release. So when you think about it, there might have been events that still have left lingering emotion. When you think about your own a creation or something that you've been wanting to create, and for some reason you keep thinking about maybe past events, and those things have kept you from really going forward, have created fears in you, fears of maybe being abandoned, or fears of feeling judged, and that has really crippled you. Oftentimes it's related to one other person in your life, but no matter what matters the most is that if you feel like it's still there and it's crippling you and it's keeping you from, even from the mind's perspective, right? Even from if that event has kept you from thinking positively about what you want to create, and instead going into fear mode and so on and so forth. Now it is time for you to release that, and we are going to do it through your body. We're going to do it through your body. So whoever comes to mind, that may have been the reason why you feel crippled, or you feel that was one active participant of that particular event or those particular events in your life that you feel like you need to forgive, right? Oftentimes one person will come to mind very quickly, whether it's your mom, whether it's your dad, your aunt, your grandma, or whether it's a sister, no matter who it is. And again, you can actually do these exercises over and over again. You can pick one person and then a do-over, and then do it with another person in your mind. No matter who you feel like you need to forgive, you can do it over and over again, right? Quite often when we are hurt, what it does is it actually leaves a stagnant energy in your chest area. And what it does really is that it creates a disconnect, right? Not only between you and the other person, but most importantly, it creates a disconnect between you and you, right? Which means that you really lose the ability to utilize the fullness of who you are for your own creation. And for that purpose, for releasing, we are going to get started. So to get started, start with tapping your chest. Tapping your chest. You can relax one arm and start tapping your chest. Tap your chest to release the block. Sometimes you may even feel like ice in your chest. Tap your chest. Tap your chest. As you tap your chest, exhale out through your mouth. Tap your chest, exhale out through your mouth. Relax your shoulders. Relax your neck. Even with your eyes closed, it's as if your eye gaze is looking downward. Keep tapping your chest. Chest tapping. If you have any heart condition, if you have any heart monitoring machine or anything like that, please do not do this exercise. Consult your doctor before you do it. Keep exhaling out through your mouth. Break down the blockage in your chest area. Keep exhaling out through your mouth. Keep releasing. release, release. Sometimes if you have congestion in your chest, you might feel like even coughing. Keep exhaling out through your mouth, relax your jaw, let it out, let it go. I choose to let go. I choose to forgive. I choose to let go. Keep exhaling out through your mouth. Relax your shoulders and neck. Keep your spine straight. By the way, if you feel more comfortable, you can do this exercise also standing up or sitting in a chair. Either way is fine. And slowly stop. Feel the breathing in your chest. Bring your hands facing your chest area, your palms facing your chest area without touching, making a space of about 2 to 3 inches between your hands and your chest. Feel the energy sensation between your hands and your chest. You may feel warm sensation. You may feel tingling sensation. Or you may feel just magnetic sensation. As you focus on this magnetic sensation, you can feel your chest becoming lighter and lighter. You may also be moved to tears. That's completely okay. From this space, bring who you feel you need to forgive into mind. And you can start by saying, I forgive you. I choose to forgive you. I choose to let go. Please forgive me too. I forgive you. Please forgive me too. I choose to let go. I choose to forgive. I'm letting go now. And I forgive myself. I forgive myself for being resentful. I forgive myself for my past failures. I'm ready to start again. I let go. I forgive you. I forgive myself. I let go. And I'm ready to start new. I'm ready to create new. I forgive myself. I forgive you. I'm ready to create for the benefit of myself, for my loved ones, and for all humanity. And slowly bring your hands down on your knees. Breathe in deeply. And exhale out through your mouth. Breathe in. And and exhale out through your mouth. Last time, breathe in and exhale out through your mouth. Well done. To get the full sequence of this challenge, please visit thehessa.com/vibration. See you in the next video. Bye.